Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you was wondering why I'm wearing sunglasses, it's just because I feel like being extra and I've been sunglass shopping because I'm getting ready for spring. So let's get to it. Jumping into this tutorial, I'm just going to wipe off my brows, making sure I don't have any oily residue on there. And for my brows, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer in Brunette. Now I'm just going to use the end with the spoolie to brush my eyebrow hairs upward. And with a light stroke motion, I am going to start filling in my brow in the areas that are not fully covered with hair, which for me is the top, a little bit of the front, bottom, and the tail. And also to avoid having boxy eyebrows, you never want to start at the very front. So since I'm going for a natural brow, I'm just going to use the spoolie to evenly distribute the product that I already applied onto my brows. Now this eyebrow is done. It's not too dark and it still looks natural, so if you want to stop here, that's totally fine. Welcome to the right eyebrow, aka the evil stepsister. Guys, if you have me on Snap, you know I always have some kind of horror story about my eyebrows. So yeah, this is another bad brow day, but you know what? It's okay because like they say, right? Eyebrows are sisters, not twins. So my eyebrows naturally have a tail, so I'm just going to use the pencil to add a little more definition towards the end. And then I'm going to use the spoolie again just to make sure all that product is evenly distributed throughout my brow. Now I'm going to show you guys the steps I like to take to conceal my brows when I don't feel like wearing foundation, but I still want my brows to look good for the day. I'm going to use this MAC Conceal and Correct palette in dark. And then I'm going to use these two shades. The top shade is NC45 and the bottom shade is NC50. NC50 is closer to my skin tone color, and I'm going to show you guys the difference between the two. So for this side, I'm using NC50. And if you are a beginner, I recommend concealing little by little like I'm doing now until you get the gist of it. I don't glide my brush all at once. I've tried that before and it just goes totally left for me, but I get a nicer result from concealing little by little. And then once I finish concealing, I like to go back and drag the concealer down, then blend everything out. So now I'm gonna do my right eyebrow with the NC45 on the bottom, and you can see that it is significantly brighter, but I would only use this shade if I'm applying eyeshadow onto my eyelid. But if I want a natural brow and I don't want, you know, anyone to notice like I probably did my eyebrows or whatever, I would stick with my NC50 because the NC50 has a golden undertone and it matches my skin tone perfectly. Now on the top, I'm just using NC50, and this is because, like I said, it matches my skin tone perfectly, and when I blend it out, you can't tell there's any concealer up there. I totally forgot to show you guys this brush, but it's a Morphe M173 mini buffing brush, which is like $5 on their website, and I find it to be perfect for blending out concealer. Now this step is totally optional, but I'm using a concealer to cover up my under eye circles, and then I'm done. So this is the final look, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to stay connected with me. That's my Instagram and my Snapchat. Don't forget to subscribe. If you found this video helpful, thumbs up, and be sure to check out my other videos. Don't mind me being extra again, but I'll see you guys in my next video. And if you use any of these products, definitely write me and let me know how it went for you. Thanks for watching, guys.